Hello students of class 5th C, welcome to your new online classes. This is your maths class. Today we will do exercise 1C. So let us move towards question number 1. Fill in the blanks. A part, 10 millimeter equals to dash centimeter. As we all know, 1 centimeter equals to 10 millimeter. So the answer will be 1. B part, 100 centimeter equals to dash meter. We know 1 meter contains 100 centimeter. So the answer is 1. In C part, 10 kilometer equals to dash into 1000 meter. As we all know, 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meter. So 10 kilometer equals to 10,000 meter. So it will be multiplied by 10. D part, 2 kg equals to dash gram. As 1 kg contains 1000 gram, so 2 kilogram contains 2000 gram. E part, 8000 gram equals to dash kg. Because 1 kilogram contains 1000 gram, so 8000 contains 8 kilogram. F part, 5000 milliliter equals to dash liter. Because 1 liter contains 1000 milliliter, so 5000 milliliter contains 5 liter. G part, time between 5 pm and 5 am. Let us count. 6 pm, 7 pm, 8 pm, 9 pm, 10 pm, 11 pm. Then 12 o'clock. Then 1 am, 2 am, 3 am, 4 am, 5 am. That means 12 hours. H part, 240 seconds equals to dash minute. Because 1 minute contains 60 seconds, so we will divide it by 60. So the answer will be 4 minute. I part, 4 weeks equals to dash days. Because 1 week contains 7 days, so 4 weeks contains 4 into 7, 28 days. J part, 1 year has dash weeks. Because 1 year contains 52 weeks. Now let us move towards question number 2. Change A part, 6 hour 20 minute to minutes. We have to change it into minutes. Because 1 hour contains 60 minutes. So first we will change this hour into minute. Then we will add 20 minute. We will get the answer. Now let us look at the solution. Here is the solution given. A part. First we will multiply 60 into 6. Because 1 hour contains 60 minutes. We will get 360 minutes. Then we will add 20 minutes to 360 minutes. We will get 380 minutes. This is the answer. B part and C part will be your homework. In B part, 3 days, 8 hours into hours. Because 1 day contains 24 hours. So first you have to multiply 3 days into 24 to convert into hours. Then we will add 8. You will get the answer. In C part, 4 months, 2 weeks to days. We have to convert them into days because 1 month contains 30 days. So first we have to multiply 4 into 30. Then 1 week contains 7 days. So we will multiply 2 into 7. Then we will add both the answers. We will get the answer. D part, 470 second to minutes and second. We have to convert them into minutes and second. Now let us look at the solution here of D part. Because 1 minute contains 60 seconds, so we will divide 470 by 60. This is the quotient and this is the remainder here. So this is the minute and this is the left seconds. So the answer is 7 minutes 50 seconds. E part and F part will be your homework and you have to do by yourself. Question number 3, true or false? A part, 81 centimeter equals to 8 meter 1 centimeter. First we will check that it is correct or not. So we have to convert 8 meter 1 centimeter into centimeter. Because 1 meter contains 100 centimeter, so it will become 800 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. So it will be 801 centimeter. But the answer given here is 81 centimeter. So it is true or false? It is false. In C part, 9 kilometer 250 meter. Because 1 kilometer contains 1000 meter. So 9 kilometer contains 9000. 9000 plus 250 meter becomes 9250 meter. So this is true. E part, 8763 milliliter equals to 8 liters 763 milliliter. So first we will convert them into milliliter. 1 liter contains 1000 milliliter, so 8 liter contain 8000 milliliter. We will add them now. 8000 plus 763 becomes 8763 milliliter. So this is true. G part, 2008 was a leap year. So to check it, we have to divide it by 4. It will go 502 times. So this is correct. This is a leap year. So the answer will be true. B, D, F and H will be your homework and you have to do it by yourself. Question number 4, we have to add them. 4 centimeter 1 millimeter plus 15 centimeter 2 millimeter plus 26 centimeter 3 millimeter. Here's the solution. We will write the centimeters on the one side and millimeter on one side. Now we will add them. 3 plus 2 plus 1 becomes 6 millimeter. 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15 and 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4. So the answer is 45 centimeters 6 millimeter. Rest of the questions B, D and C will be your homework. Question number 5. Here also we have to add them. 25 kg plus 75 kg 250 gram plus 375 gram. Here is the solution. We will write kilogram on one side and the gram on one side. Now we will add them. Rest of the questions B and C will be your homework. Question number 6. We have to subtract them. 5 centimeter 9 millimeter minus 1 centimeter 7 millimeter. Here is the solution. We will write the centimeter on one side and millimeter on one side. Now we will subtract them. 9 minus 7 2 millimeter, 5 minus 4 4 centimeter. This is the answer. Now the remaining part B, C, D and E will be your homework. Question number 7. We have to multiply them. 18 centimeter 9 millimeter multiplied by 6. Here is the solution. Centimeter 9 millimeter multiplied by 6. 9 6 is 54. 4 will come here and 5 will be on carry. 8 6 is 48. 48 plus 5 53. 5 will be carry and 3 will come here. Now 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 5 11. Here is the answer. Now rest of the questions. Question number B, C, D and E will be your homework. Question number 8. A part, 300 centimeter 6 millimeter divided by 6. In this question you have to divide this number by 6. Here is the solution. So first we will divide 300 centimeter 6 5 is 30. So we will write now 0 here. 6 0 is 0. Now we will write 6 here. Then 6 1 is 6. So here is the answer, 50 centimeter 1 millimeter. Question number B, C, D and E will be your homework. Now your exercise is completed and you can do it in copy. Complete the exercise in maths copy.